وقال عليه السلام: من جر في عينان أمله عثر بأجله.
The one who chases after hopes will be caught in the snare of death. Imam Ali, A.S., draws attention to an important point, that those who pursue excessive hopes will be trapped in the net of death before achieving them. Therefore, one should avoid such desires, which are referred to as amal, hope, in a metaphorical sense. This refers to negative and unreasonable hopes that make a person forget everything, including their Lord, death, and the hereafter. As mentioned in a hadith, hope corrupts deeds and makes one forget death. Ghurar al-Hikam. Such a person may also indulge in evil deeds, as Imam Ali, says, one who has long hopes will indulge in evil deeds. Nehjul Balaghah, Hikmat 36. However, positive and reasonable hopes are praiseworthy. As mentioned in a hadith, hope is a mercy for my ummah. If there were no hope, a mother would not nurse her child, and a gardener would not plant a tree. Another hadith states, the greatest affliction is to lose hope in God's mercy. In conclusion, there are two types of hope, positive and negative. Imam Ali, A.S., refers to the negative type of hope in this wisdom.